So today we're gonna go from shooting something like this to shooting something like this. Something way more beautiful and way more professional. And today I'm gonna show you how to achieve this particular look. Now, first things first, we are gonna need a product. In my case today, we are gonna be using these chocolate biscuits. Then we're gonna need something to prop it up with. So the first thing that we're gonna use is basically a coaster in steroids, but we're gonna be using this. Next thing is to add a little bit more texture to it. We're gonna be using, हिंदी में तो इसे बोरे का कपड़ा कहते हैं. I'm just using this as a texture. इसमें कोई पक्का नहीं है कि हमेशा यही props use करने. You guys can switch around however you like. This is just basically what I put together, and that's about it. Now we come on to the most important part of it: lighting. Lighting is the name of the game. It's the secret to achieving this particular moody look that we are going for. So the lighting situation is that I have placed my key light on the left hand side and pointing down towards the subject. So I have set up the product with the coaster, and on top of that we have the cloth. Then on top of that we have the product sitting and placed in a way where it's kind of a mountain of biscuits, and highlighting just one particular biscuit on the top, and that's where we're gonna focus on, and that's gonna be our subject and point of interest. That's the basic lighting setup. So let's take a photo and see how it feels. And now let's see, if we don't use this particular kind of lighting setup, what kind of result would we get? Pretty bad. There's no depth of field, there's no moody vibe, there's nothing professional about it. It's just a flat photo. So by just using one key light in a specific way, you can just entirely change the mood of the scene, which is way better. Now I want to take things a step further. So we have the foreground taken care of. Our subject is looking very good. It's lit pretty well. Now we have to worry about the background. The secret to creating that particular background of that beautiful bokeh is this right here. I just place this just behind, not just behind, but a little bit healthy distance from it, so that when the key light also spills over the background, and it just creates that beautiful bokeh that you see, that purple thing. Also, it's looking pretty good, but I also want to take it a little bit more further, a step further in production. So we're gonna introduce the flash, and I'm gonna put some creative gels on it. In this particular case, because the background is purple, the logical sense is to put a purple color gel on top of our flash. Then I put a sphere, mag mod sphere. This is optional, you can do it, you can also not do it. Place it just in the middle. So we have our flash, we have our subject, and we have our background. And that's it. Now we have a little bit of purple rim lighting going on with our subject, and also we have a little bit more of the bokeh, purple bokeh in this case, and it just makes the picture look more amazing. And that's about it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I would encourage you to try it. Tag me on IG, and I will see you in the next one. If you like these kind of tips and tricks, do subscribe, and because more of them are about to come. Since we are in quarantine, I have nothing else to do. So take care and have a nice day.